Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Disney Plus and signing into the profile you use to watch. This matters because captions save per profile. Once you pick a title, press play immediately and make sure audio is audible so you can confirm timing. If you're on a smart TV or streaming device, use the remote. If on mobile or desktop, use the app or browser controls. Now, move to the playback controls visible on screen to reveal subtitle options. Now, open the playback controls and select Audio and Subtitles. This menu controls both audio tracks and closed captions. You select the caption language you want, and Disney Plus applies it immediately. This is why choosing the correct profile is helpful for saved preferences. If captions aren't readable, go into Accessibility or Subtitle settings on your device to change size, contrast, or background. Make sure to confirm changes while the video plays so timing and placement look correct. Finish by watching a short segment to verify captions appear and sync with dialogue. This confirms everything is set. If captions do not show, stop playback, close and reopen the app or browser, then try again. Many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, update the Disney Plus app and check your internet. Lower bandwidth can prevent subtitle files from loading. One troubleshooting tip: switch to a different device briefly to see if captions work there, which isolates app versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.